Have you ever wondered how exercise can transform your golden years? Curious about the best ways to stay fit and active as you age? How can tailored exercises improve your quality of life as a senior? Today, we're delving into special exercise tips for senior citizens. From gentle stretches to effective strength training, let's explore how staying active can enhance your well-being and vitality. Ready to discover the key to healthy aging? Let's dive in. Importance of exercise for seniors. Regular exercise is vital for seniors as it offers numerous health benefits that contribute to overall well-being and quality of life. Research consistently shows that physical activity helps seniors maintain cardiovascular health, improve muscle strength and endurance, enhance flexibility and balance, and manage chronic conditions like arthritis and diabetes more effectively. Beyond physical benefits, exercise also supports cognitive function and mental health, reducing the risk of cognitive decline and depression. For seniors, staying active can promote independence and mobility, allowing them to engage more fully in daily activities and maintain a higher level of functional fitness. By prioritizing regular exercise, seniors can enjoy a higher quality of life with increased energy levels, improved sleep patterns, and a greater sense of vitality and self-confidence. Safety considerations and precautions. Ensuring safety is paramount when seniors tackle an exercise program. It's crucial to consult with healthcare professionals before starting any new regimen to assess individual health status and identify any underlying conditions or physical limitations. Seniors should start gradually with low-impact activities to avoid strain or injury, focusing on exercises that improve cardiovascular health, muscle strength, flexibility, and balance. It's also important to listen to the body's signals and stop immediately if experiencing pain, dizziness, or shortness of breath. By prioritizing safety and taking necessary precautions, seniors can enjoy the benefits of exercise while minimizing risks and promoting long-term health and well-being. Types of exercises suitable for seniors. Seniors benefit greatly from a variety of exercises that cater to different aspects of physical fitness. Aerobic exercises like walking, swimming, or cycling help improve cardiovascular health, maintain weight, and boost mood. Strength training exercises, using light weights or resistance bands, help preserve muscle mass, strengthen bones, and improve balance to prevent falls. Flexibility exercises such as stretching or yoga enhance joint mobility and reduce stiffness, promoting better overall mobility. Balance exercises, including Tai Chi or specific balance drills, are crucial for preventing falls and maintaining stability. Each type of exercise contributes uniquely to seniors' health, ensuring a well-rounded fitness routine that supports independence and quality of life. Adapting exercises for different fitness levels. Adapting exercises for different fitness levels is crucial for seniors to safely and effectively engage in physical activity. Seniors should start with low-impact activities and gradually increase intensity as their fitness improves. For beginners, simple exercises like walking, seated leg lifts, and gentle stretches can build strength and flexibility without strain. Those more experienced can incorporate resistance bands or light weights to enhance muscle tone and endurance. It's important to listen to your body, modify exercises as needed, and consult with a healthcare professional or fitness trainer to ensure exercises are appropriate for individual capabilities and health conditions. By tailoring exercises to fit personal fitness levels, seniors can enjoy the benefits of physical activity while minimizing the risk of injury or overexertion. Exercise tips for managing chronic conditions. For seniors managing chronic conditions such as arthritis, osteoporosis, diabetes, and heart disease, exercise can play a crucial role in improving symptoms and overall health. The research underscores the benefits of tailored exercise programs for managing these conditions, including reduced pain and inflammation, improved joint flexibility, better blood sugar control, and enhanced cardiovascular function. Seniors with arthritis, for instance, benefit from low-impact activities like swimming or cycling, which are gentle on the joints. Those with osteoporosis can benefit from weight-bearing exercises like walking or dancing, which help maintain bone density. For seniors with diabetes, regular aerobic exercise helps lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Exercise guidelines emphasize the importance of consulting healthcare providers to design personalized exercise plans that consider individual health needs and capabilities, ensuring safe and effective management of chronic conditions through physical activity. Importance of warm-up and cool-down. Warm-up and cool-down routines are essential for seniors engaging in physical exercise. A proper warm-up helps gradually increase heart rate, improve blood circulation to muscles, and loosen joints, preparing the body for more intense activity and reducing the risk of injury. For seniors, this phase is crucial as it primes muscles and joints, enhancing flexibility and range of motion. Similarly, cooling down after exercise allows the heart rate to gradually return to its resting state, prevents muscle stiffness, and promotes relaxation. Simple activities like walking or gentle stretching during cool-down periods help seniors maintain flexibility and reduce the likelihood of post-exercise soreness. By incorporating these practices into their exercise routines, seniors can optimize the safety and effectiveness of their workouts, promoting longevity and enjoyment in physical activity. Benefits of strength training for seniors. Strength training is particularly beneficial for seniors as it helps maintain and increase muscle mass, which naturally declines with age. Research indicates that regular strength training exercises not only enhance muscle strength, but also improve bone density, joint stability, and overall functional independence in older adults. By engaging in strength training, seniors can mitigate the effects of sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, and osteoporosis, reducing the risk of falls and fractures. Additionally, building muscle through resistance exercises promotes better metabolism and helps manage weight, contributing to better overall health outcomes. Seniors need to incorporate strength training into their exercise routines to preserve mobility, enhance quality of life, and maintain independence as they age. Flexibility and balance exercises. Flexibility and balance exercises are crucial for seniors to maintain mobility, stability, and independence as they age. These exercises help improve the range of motion in joints, reduce stiffness, and enhance posture, which can alleviate discomfort and prevent injuries. For seniors, maintaining good balance is particularly important in reducing the risk of falls, which can have serious consequences. Incorporating gentle stretching routines and balance exercises into daily routines not only improves physical function, but also boosts confidence in performing daily activities safely. Examples of beneficial exercises include yoga poses that focus on stretching and balance, Tai Chi movements that promote fluidity and coordination, and simple stretches that target major muscle groups. By regularly practicing these exercises, seniors can enhance their overall quality of life and maintain their ability to engage in daily activities with ease and confidence. Incorporating exercise into daily life. For seniors, integrating exercise into daily routines is essential for maintaining overall health and mobility. Simple activities such as walking, gardening, or household chores can contribute significantly to physical fitness. Encouraging seniors to find enjoyable ways to stay active throughout the day helps foster consistency and makes exercise more sustainable. Emphasizing the importance of staying active beyond structured exercise sessions promotes functional independence and supports long-term health goals. By making physical activity a natural part of daily life, seniors can enhance their quality of life and maintain vitality as they age. Motivation and support. Maintaining motivation to exercise regularly can be challenging for seniors, especially when faced with physical limitations or competing priorities. It's essential to find intrinsic and extrinsic motivators that resonate personally, such as improving overall health, maintaining independence, or enjoying social interactions during group activities. Seniors benefit greatly from support systems that encourage and reinforce their commitment to staying active. Whether it's joining a fitness class tailored for seniors, exercising with friends or family members, or tracking progress and celebrating achievements, having a support network can significantly boost motivation. Additionally, setting realistic goals and celebrating small victories along the way can help seniors stay engaged and motivated to continue their exercise routines for long-term health benefits. That's all the time we have for today's special exercise tips for senior citizens. I hope you found these suggestions helpful. Remember, it's never too late to get active and improve your well-being. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.